Hello, today I'm going to go over my first modification, or soon to be modification, to my clock. Since I've had it running, one thing that's kind of bothered me is once it gets kind of dark inside, the LEDs are so bright that it's all you can see in the room, and then at nighttime when all the lights are out, it kind of keeps the room really bright and it's annoying. So I decided I could try to do something to fix it. So I'll go over to the schematic real quick. It's pretty simple. Pretty much what I just did is I took a photoresistor and a regular resistor in series, and as it gets darker or brighter, the photoresistor adjusts its resistance, and I'm able to measure the voltage across the resistor and how it changes. So I take that and I do some calculation in the programming, and it adjusts the brightness of the LED. So in the dark room it'll dim the light, and in bright room it brightens the light. The resistor, I use a 10 kilo ohm resistor. I was messing with some of the other ones. I use like a 3.3K and a 1K and a 4.7K, and I like the response of the 10K the best, but that's got to do with the photoresistor. So the photoresistor, so what happens is as it changes, I didn't do any conversion or anything, so the Arduino is just going to receive a 0 to 1023 input, and when it's dark it's going to be closer to 0, when it's light it's closer to 1023. In the programming I set it up to that the LED will be bright at 3 when it's greater than 300, and it'll be dim at when it's less than 100, and this is just from kind of fiddling around with it and adjusting to like what I thought would be bright light or anything like that. So that's up to whoever's discretion. And then in between that range, the 100 and 300, the LED will adjust automatically to something like a proportion kind of. So let's back up, and so here it is. You can see the LED, and hopefully as I cover the photoresistor we'll be able to tell that the LED is getting dimmer. So the photoresistor is right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Oh, and you see it just went to the dim setting, and I uncover it and it comes back on. Now I'm gonna try something else to kinda, so it's not getting dimmer because it's not in that sweet spot of between 100 and 300. It's still above 300. But actually, oh, there it goes. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah. Here you can see, maybe once the camera focuses, 255 is the max for the LED, so you can see that the sensor is getting about close to 500. So it's above 300, so it's going to be at full brightness. And then as you watch this, as I kind of shade it, and there it goes. And then when it gets fully dark, well, I can't make it get that dark. So that is basically it. So what I plan on doing, just to get a close-up of this photoresistor, you can kind of see what it looks like right there. What I plan to do is install this in the top of my clock, and that way when the light changes it'll have a quick response. And that is it.